Good morning, students. In today's online class, let us discuss some physics practicals which can be performed and experienced at home. Here are four practicals of physics. First is tracing the path of rays of light through a glass prism. And second, tracing the path of ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. And then measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence, and interpret the result. Here in this practical, we will perform it and we can show that angle I is equal to angle E. Now in practical number 3, determination of the focal length of concave mirror and concave lens by obtaining image of distinct object. Means if object is placed at infinity, then the image is formed at the focus, and according to that information we can find the focal length of concave mirror and convex lens. And in fourth practical, studying the dependence of potential difference V across a resistor on the current I passing through it and determining the resistance R. Also plot a graph between V and I. So let us start from first practical, tracing the path of rays of light through a glass prism. As you can see, it is a glass prism and it have two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. Now when light passes through it, it get deviated, but right now we are not able to see this prism which is made up of glass. For that, we can make a prism with the help of a plastic sheet at home, and we fill water or any other transparent liquid in that plastic prism, and then we see the deviation of rays of light across it. As the light goes from air to the different medium in glass prism, it get deviate due to refraction of light. So thick plastic used for constructing prism, water as refracting medium enables us to observe ray path inside prism with laser. We can experience it with laser light as well as according to the visibility of pins on other side. Rainbow colors can be seen with white light as a source. Now, steps of making prism with plastic sheet at home. How we can make the prism? For that, in step 1, we'll take a plastic sheet and preferably it should be a hard sheet. Then we mark over it and we make 4 squares with the help of this pin, and then we cut and separate one part from this sheet as shown, and we keep these 3 other portions intact. We will not separate these 3 portions. Now in fifth step, we'll fold it. These three portion should be folded now here in this third step, and we join these open ends with the help of a sellotape. Then we get such type of structure. Now one end of this prism is fixed with that fourth part of this sheet, this one which we have separated from these 3, and we fix it with the help of glue gun or sellotape or some other adhesive material. In this way, we get this prism which is made up of plastic sheet. We can keep the other end of this prism open, or we can cover the other end also with the help of one more plastic sheet. But before that, we will fill some water in this prism or any other material, transparent material preferably, because the ray of light can pass through and can visible through that transparent liquid and can show deviation. So finally we will get such type of prism. We put this prism and pass this laser light through this prism and can easily notice the deviation of path of ray of light when passes through this prism because of change of medium. Also, by making this prism, we can see the ray which is coming from this. We can take this mobile phone and can put it in a box and can make a narrow slit in that box, so that a narrow ray of light is coming from this, and in dark we can see a single ray of light, a very narrow ray of light, and which passes through this prism. Then we can easily notice this deviation of light through it. Now also with the help of this prism, this water prism, we can see the spectrum of light. So by making this prism, we can experience all the phenomena which we have discussed in our theory syllabus, and it will give you a clear understanding of the concepts. Also, in this prism, you can use oil or salt water instead of normal water, and then you can notice the extent of bending of ray of light across it. Now, here is a video that is laser light path through water prism. I have made this prism at home and laser light is passing through it. You can click on this link and you can watch this video. Otherwise, you can copy this link, and when you put it on YouTube, you will get that video. And with the help of this video, you can get an idea that how you have to perform this activity. Actually, this is not a practical, but this is a activity here. Also, in spite of water, you can fill oil in that prism, because it is we have kept it open from the other side and it is closed from one side. So from other side we can remove water and we can add oil inside it, and again we can experience the bending of light. For that also you can watch this video. It is also a YouTube link of this video. I have made this video, and you can get an idea that how you can perform this practical activity in spite. Now, actual practical which is included in our syllabus is this one. As you have made this prism at home, you can experience this activities also, but practical which is in our syllabus is this one. You have taken this prism which is filled with water or salt water or any transparent oil like that, and then you can perform this practical. You fix 2 pins on one side and you see the images of these 2 pins on other side, and mark the points and trace the rays of light. Finally, you get this figure, and you can measure angle I, angle E, angle D, angle A. For that also, that how you have to perform the practical, here are 2 YouTube links, and one YouTube link is this one, which I have performed this practical with the help of this water prism, and this is another YouTube link which is another practical which have been performed in lab. So with the help of these both practicals, you will get a clear idea that how to perform the practical at home. and you should perform this practical at home, so that if viva questions come or some viva exam is conducted for you, you can easily cover the questions and answers of that based on that practical. Now, in practical number 2, in the same way as we have made the prism, with the help of plastic sheets, we can make this this slab, and which is not made up of glass but which is made up of plastic. And in the same way, you can fill water in that plastic and or some other transparent material, and you can perform this practical. I'll prefer better if you will perform this practical, and you can send your videos or photographs on my WhatsApp also with your name and class section. Hanji, this is second practical, and this is also a YouTube link where the practical is performed in laboratory, and you can have an idea that how you have to perform the practical. Now practical number 3, that is determination of focal length of concave mirror and convex lens by obtaining image of distant object. Distant object means the object placed at infinity. For this also we need a convex lens, and at home we are not having convex lens, so we can make our own convex lens with the help of a plastic bottle at home. So we all have some plastic bottles which are free, and we take that bottle, then we cut this bottle and separate this portion, and we keep this upper portion with us. Then we take a pencil and compass and will mark circles on this bottle like this. And after marking the circles, as we have made 4 circles, with the help of this we are making 2 lenses, and the circle should be of same dimensions. Then we cut it neatly along with these circles. Then we get these 4 parts, and finally we paste these 4 parts with the help of glue gun or with good adhesive material, and a small portion of this should be kept open so that we can fill water inside it. Like this, we have pasted it with the help of this glue gun. In 6th portion you can see that this is pasted from all sides, and in 7th, just notice that we have kept a small hole on one side so that we can fill water inside it with the help of a narrow syringe, water or any other liquid, transparent liquid. And then after filling the water, finally again we'll paste it. So in step number 8, you can easily see that a lens made up of plastic and water is ready with us. Now we can perform the practical with the help of this lens. With the help of this lens, you can also see the activities when two laser lights are passing through it. Then it can converge these 2 rays of lights, and because it is a converging lens. And for performing the practical, you can watch this video. I have made this lens and perform a small activity, or we can say practical, which is giving you an idea that how we can find the focal length of convex lens. In the same way you can do for concave mirror. One more thing, it's not necessary that convex lens can be made only with the help of bottle or with the help of that shape only which we see in our school, in our labs. An electric bulb, a waste electric bulb, can also act like a convex lens. And then how you can make a convex lens with the help of electric bulb? You can press on this link and you can see that how you can make a lens, convex lens with this electric bulb. You can fill water inside it or any other transparent liquid. Now, practical number 4, that is studying the dependence of potential difference V across a resistor on the current I passing through it and determining its resistance R. Also plot a graph between V and I. For this practical, we need a lot of apparatus which I think cannot be available at home. That's why we can take help of this virtual lab. In virtual lab, you can see, you can experience that practical by watching these videos. So for Ohm's law practical, you can watch this video, you can press on this link and can have an knowledge of practical, that how it is performed and what apparatus is required and what is the use of each and every component. So in this way, by clicking on all these links which I have given in this video, you can experience the practicals of physics. So give time on this portion also, because this is also very important for your science learning and it can contribute for your final exams for some marks, like 5 marks for internal assessment for your exams. So thank you beta, have a nice day.